Hi guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. Second regular puzzle is a Sudoku Heavy in today's newspaper of Friday, yes, almost weekend, Friday, February the 10th, 2023. And by the way, we have here in this newspaper also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles, half of them I will solve. But first, this regular puzzle. I've already solved today a regular Sudoku Light. So I will start this in a minute. The Sudoku Heavy. Sudoku Heavy, yes. News of today, well, more than 20,000 people died in the earthquake, yes, in Turkey and Syria, yeah, Syria. Enough with the daily news. Let's continue with the heavy Sudoku. Yes, how heavy I do not know, but this will be number 5938. 5938. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be at 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos, 1 3, 2 fours, 2 fives, 3 sixes, 4 sevens. All right. 2 eights and 3 nines. So the sevens are a majority. Can I start with a 7? Is the question. Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next down, only place left for the 7 should be there. Now it will be difficult to solve. Yeah. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about the 1 in this row? 1 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 6. Wow. 4 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers, 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in the third column, so no 2 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, 3, the 5, 3, the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 8, okay. 6. In the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third row. 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. You see here 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here 6 in that column, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here, 7 in this row, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 7 in the column next, so that column, no need 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the 3rd row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the 3rd row, 7 in the 2nd row. So the 1st row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the 2nd column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the 3rd column, 7 in the 2nd column. So the 1st column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. Now we have a 7 here in the middle row, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. Now I can count, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright. Okay. Then. How about 1, 4, 8 in this column, 8 in the 2nd column. So the 3rd column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 9. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the 3rd column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Okay. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. 4, 4. Okay. 3, 3. Yeah. I'm thinking. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. 9. In the 3rd row, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row, the 3rd row. One of the missing number in the 3rd row is the number 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 there. Here 9 in this column, so no 9 there. Here 9 in this column, so no 9 there. Here another 9 in that column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in the 3rd row should be here. Alright. Okay, 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Okay. I need to think. 3 and 2. 2 in this column. 2 in the 2nd column. So the 1st column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column. 1st column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Okay. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. Well, we have a 3 in this column. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in the 2nd column. Sorry, 2nd row. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. Okay, 3, 3, 3. Alright, 3, 3, 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this row, middle row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. Now 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 3. We have a 5 and a 3 in the middle row, so no 5 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. The 5 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 3, 5 and a 3 in this big square. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. All right. Okay. 5 in this column. Oh, excuse me. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see our 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. And we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. That means these two missing numbers in the third row are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see digit number 3, number 1. Alright. Okay. Then. How about 3, 8. 8. Well, we have an 8 in this row. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row. 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then 8. Well, 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. Do we have all? Yeah, 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. 1 box left in this second row for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, and the 3. 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 now in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Well, we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. The last 2 numbers, yes, final numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes and there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow! 14 minutes. It seems that I'm faster than the previous Sudoku, although it has 2 digits less. Yeah, 25, and the Sudoku Lite 27. Well, let me give this a 1 star, because I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.